The ODK 40-inch desk with drawers is designed to provide ample storage space with its 6 large-capacity fabric drawers, perfect for keeping your workspace tidy and organized. This desk offers a reversible side shelf with 4 drawers that can be conveniently installed on either side, catering to your personal preferences and making it highly adaptable. With a wider tabletop, the ODK desk accommodates all your office essentials, from monitors to notebooks, offering generous space for a comfortable working experience. Assembly of this desk is straightforward, with all necessary tools and instructions included, ensuring a hassle-free setup process. This versatile desk suits a range of purposes, whether as a computer desk for a home office, a study table for a bedroom, or even a stylish vanity desk when paired with a mirror. Constructed from high-quality particleboard and featuring a sturdy metal frame, this desk promises durability and stability, while its scratch-resistant and waterproof surface enhances its longevity.